Do you own property? You will be required to have, as of February 2022, one smoke alarm in every circulation space in your property. This includes hallways, landings, anywhere where there's people going to and from rooms. This is a circulation space. So if you're lucky enough to have a 4-storey home, then that's 4 smoke alarms in every hallway and landing. Now, if your hallway is 5 metres long and has a protruding bit of wood or something that separates one half of the roof, one half of the ceiling from the other half of the ceiling, you are required to have another smoke alarm on the other side of that separating object. You're also required to have one smoke alarm in the room most frequently used for general daytime living purposes. Again, if you're lucky enough to have 3 living rooms in your property, then that's 3 smoke alarms that will be required for that property. So in addition to the smoke alarm in all of your hallways and landings, living spaces, you're also required to have a heat alarm in your kitchens. Again, multiple kitchens, multiple heat alarms, you get the idea. Now, everything I'm saying in this video and more can be found in this AICO booklet, which we picked up for free from the Electric Centre. Like how Quinnergy specialise in landlord certificates, AICO specialise in fire safety devices such as fire, heat, smoke alarms, CO alarms, things of that nature. Can't recommend AICO enough. Pick up your free booklet from the Electric Centre. Again, we'll have the website in the description as well. So the Scottish regulations requires a BS EN 50291 kite mark carbon monoxide alarm to be fitted. You don't need to worry about any of that, just get Quinnergy, we'll sort it out. When any new replacement fuel burning appliance is installed, except cookers, including those that burn gas, oil, coal and wood. Carbon monoxide alarms should be fitted in the room with the appliance, or if it is an enclosed boiler, just outside the enclosure. Alarms can be mains or battery powered. If the alarm is battery powered, then the alarm should last for the life of the alarm. When we go AICO, that can be certified with their stunning lithium batteries and the wee backup 9V just for extra safety. With AICO, it's covered. See what they did? That's good. With AICO, it's covered, and with Quinnergy, it's super easy. You're safe, your tenant's safe, everyone's happy. Our contact details are in the description as well, of course. All the alarms in your properties must be installed on the ceiling, at least 300mm away from a wall or any obstructive object. A cupboard, general household clutter, anything that blocks that alarm is not okay. All homes in Scotland will be covered by this new standard. It's important that the occupants of a property are safe regardless of tenure, whether it's a homeowner or a tenant or whomever. The fewer people on fire, the better. Now, this new legislation also requires that all of your alarms are interlinked. This ensures that if you're far away from the source of the fire, all of your alarms are going off, so you're not going to miss it. You will hear it. So let's show you around this property then. We'll see how this property is doing.
Nice. 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 Wait, whoa, not so nice.
Right, so here we are in the hall. Got a tape measure. Just going to pull out this tape measure to 300mm. So smoke alarms need to be 300mm away from any walls, lights or other obstructions. Smoke alarm is up there. I can see that it's pretty close to that light in the ceiling. So we're going up with this tape measure and we'll see what we have. There we are. So that is not satisfactory, and we would say that this smoke alarm is at the 200mm range, which is too close to this light. This light is an obstruction and it will need to be reinstalled slightly for... This smoke alarm will now need to be moved 100mm away from where it currently is. We'll do another video about smoke alarm installations in the future. So you can see that there's a fuel burning appliance in this property and the flue, meaning that this kitchen will be required to have a CO alarm as well as a heat alarm. So we're in the kitchen, we've got the tape measure again, set to 300mm. We've got a CO alarm up there and a heat alarm. So that's good, that's what this property does require. But again, I can see that it looks like it's a bit close to that light for the regulatory standard, so we will go up and have a look with the tape measure. There is the light fixture, and yet, unfortunately, once again, that is at 220mm away from the light, which is too close. So again, this will now need to be moved just a little bit further away. So if you're looking at the detectors on your ceiling and you're seeing, uh-oh, that looks like it's within 300mm, give Quinnergy a call, we'll get round to your property in 1 hour and we will sort it. So that's the CO alarm I've just checked. I'm checking the heat alarm as well. This one is very close. Very, very close indeed. So the CO alarm is around 220mm away from the light, and this heat alarm is around 290mm away from the light, both of which are not good enough for the new regulations, so we will move them. So alarms made by AICO come with lithium batteries. Now it's a legal requirement that your smoke alarms are replaced every 10 years. These lithium batteries will last 10 years, that's nice and convenient. In the event that there is a failure, as can happen with electronics, as I'm sure you're aware, they have a 9-volt backup battery as well. Extra safety for yourself and your tenants. Now AICO have a catalogue of expert installers, of which Quinnergy is one. It's recommended that when you're making decisions for the safety of yourself, your family, or someone else's family, in the case of your tenants, that you get your fire detection alarms fitted by expert installers. The last thing that you want is a dysfunctional alarm when you really need it to be functional. So we'll do that, Quinnergy will do that for you. We are expert installers, recognised by AICO. So if you need these done, quick and easy, give Quinnergy a call. We'll be at your property in an hour and we'll sort it. Now you know everything you need to do as a homeowner or a landlord in Scotland regarding your heat and fire detection. So this has just been a brief overview. We've given you the important bits, we've given you the juicy bits, but if there's anything else you'd like to know regarding fire alarm detection, we've got the answers. Just leave a comment and we will get back to you. Now if there's a topic you would like to know a lot more detail about, then please do mention that in the comments. Perhaps we'll make a video on it. So that's the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for making it to this point in the video. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you soon.